Hey there, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're going to show you the fastest way to learn the basics of Python programming. First things first, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language used for general-purpose programming. It's widely used in web development, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. To start learning Python, you need to have an understanding of programming concepts like variables, data types, functions, loops, and conditionals. The good news is that Python has simple and readable syntax, which makes it easier to learn for beginners. Now, onto the actual learning process. The fastest way to learn Python is by practicing it. Hands-on projects and exercises enable you to build a strong foundation and a comprehensive understanding of Python programming. Here are the steps to getting started with Python programming. 1. Install Python on your computer. Python is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Go to the Python official website and download the latest version of Python. 2. Choose a learning resource. There are many great resources for learning Python, including online courses, books, and tutorials. Check out websites like Codecademy, Udemy, and Coursera, or books like Python Crash Course and Python for Everybody. Choose one that suits you best and begin learning. 3. Work on projects. Practice makes perfect, and the best way to enhance your understanding of Python programming is by working on small projects. Start with simple projects, like a calculator or a game. Then, move on to more complex projects as your skills improve. 4. Join Python communities. There are many online communities where people share their knowledge and experience in Python programming. Join forums like Reddit, Stack Overflow, or GitHub and ask for help and advice. Finally, be patient with your learning process. Learning Python will take time and effort, but with a focused and dedicated approach, you will become a proficient Python programmer. That's all for now, folks. I hope this tutorial helps you to start learning Python programming fast. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you soon. And as always, keep coding.